Okay, here's the Vaillant boiler. It keeps dropping down to there. Right, it's off at the moment. I'm going to switch it on. Oops, it's gone out of focus. Right, obviously I've got to do the filling loop underneath. When it gets too low, you get across here. First thing you've got to check is that, because that will drop lower than that, and for whatever reason it keeps losing pressure. Now let's see, underneath there's two here. There's a little tap there and a little tap there. Right, so I'm going to do, I've turned one of them on. I'm going to do the next one and watch the pressure gauge. Well, I've got my thumb still on it. Right, it should be about there. I've turned it off again, that one. So I will now turn this one back off as well. Right, so it was that one and that one. So that should get you out of trouble. Vaillant Eco Max. I don't know why it keeps doing that. We've had the people in here and the engineers in here, and they've done all sorts. There was so many fault codes coming up. I'm going to turn that down a little bit, and that one. There's a lot of fault codes. But anyway, that should get you out of trouble. If that's dropped very low, that pressure, the water pressure, the bar, for some reason the loop seems to lose pressure. I don't know what causes it. As far as I know, there's no water. We're not losing any water out of the overflow. It's been glued. Because it was at one stage, but it still is. Anyway, that's me signing off.